Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than almost anyone predicted. AI can now write essays, analyze data, generate images, and even help design computer software. Many experts believe millions of jobs could change in the next decade. But here's something surprising. Even the most powerful AI systems still struggle with certain uniquely human abilities. In this video, we explore the 7 skills that artificial intelligence still cannot replace, and why they may become the most valuable skills of the future. Every major technological revolution has reshaped the job market. The Industrial Revolution automated manual labor. Computers automated administrative work. Now artificial intelligence is automating routine cognitive tasks. AI systems can process enormous amounts of information, recognize patterns, and perform repetitive digital work faster than humans. But automation has always created a new question. What human abilities become more valuable when machines become more powerful? In practice, AI accelerates tasks, but someone still frames the problem and decides what matters. Humans set goals, define constraints, and judge trade-offs. And in many roles, value comes from interaction, judgment, and context, not just computation. So, which human skills rise in importance as AI scales? We'll break down 7 that stand out across careers. Let's start with creative problem solving. It's the spark behind breakthrough ideas, and it's still profoundly human. The first skill AI struggles to replace is creative problem solving. Artificial intelligence can analyze data and generate suggestions, but identifying new problems and imagining innovative solutions often requires human creativity. Innovation frequently comes from connecting ideas across different fields. This kind of creative thinking remains difficult for machines. Humans excel at reframing, diverging, and converging, shifting perspectives until a solution clicks. Creativity scales with iteration, feedback, and taste, areas where human judgment leads. And in messy, ambiguous problems, it's the human who decides what good looks like. To build this skill, cross-train, prototype quickly, and push for unusual combinations. Next, a capability at the core of human connection. Many professions depend on understanding human emotions. Teachers, nurses, therapists, leaders, and negotiators all rely on emotional intelligence. While AI can recognize patterns in language and behavior, genuine empathy and human connection remain deeply human abilities. Reading nonverbal cues, building trust, and responding with care are skills practiced in real time. AI detects patterns. Humans create relationships. Emotional intelligence improves with practice, reflection, and feedback. Build the habit of perspective-taking, asking how others might experience the moment. Practice active listening, name emotions, and adjust your response in context, which leads to a skill that powers teams and ideas. Clear communication is essential in almost every profession. The ability to explain complex ideas, persuade audiences, and collaborate with teams remains one of the most valuable workplace skills. AI can generate text, but communicating effectively requires context, culture, and relationships. Great communicators tailor messages to the audience and situation. Think in layers, refine the idea, structure it, tell a story, and deliver with clarity. Editing is leverage. Fewer, sharper words often create more impact. Communication also means listening, summarizing, and driving decisions. Put the audience first, keep one idea per slide, and edit ruthlessly, because the ground keeps moving, fast. The AI economy is evolving rapidly. New tools, platforms, and industries are emerging constantly. Workers who can adapt quickly to change may have a major advantage. The ability to learn new technologies and update skills continuously is becoming essential. Adopt a learning loop. Observe. Try. Reflect. Iterate. Signal adaptability with projects, not promises. Small, consistent practice compounds over time. Pilot new tools. Run learn sprints, and share your findings. Adaptability is powerful, guided by strong leadership. Organizations still depend on human leadership. Leaders inspire teams, make strategic decisions, and guide organizations through uncertainty. Artificial intelligence can analyze information, but leadership requires vision, trust, and human judgment. In high-stakes moments, people follow clarity and courage. The best leaders pair data with principled judgment. They grow people, not just metrics. And they design systems where others can lead. State the why, set a decision cadence, and coach visibly. Leadership meets responsibility, ethics. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, ethical decisions become more important. How should AI systems be used? What responsibilities do organizations have when deploying powerful technologies? Human judgment and ethical reasoning will play a critical role in shaping the future of AI. Translate principles into policies, and policies into everyday practices. Build guardrails, testing, oversight, and accountability. Design for consent, transparency, and user agency. Document risks, involve stakeholders, and escalate concerns early. Which brings us to the capstone skill, working with AI itself. Perhaps the most important skill of the future is learning how to work alongside artificial intelligence. Instead of competing with machines, successful professionals will use AI as a powerful tool. People who understand how to guide AI systems may dramatically increase their productivity. The human role shifts to framing prompts, validating outputs, and making decisions. Think of AI as a collaborator in a loop, not an oracle. We design workflows, set constraints, and keep humans in control. Collaboration shines when humans define success and measure results. Be specific with goals, verify facts, and log prompts to learn what works. Because the future isn't humans versus machines, it's humans and machines working together. Artificial intelligence will change the world of work, but history shows that technology does not eliminate human value, it shifts where that value lies. In the age of AI, the most successful people may not be those who compete with machines, they may be those who develop the human skills that machines cannot replicate. Invest in these 7 skills, and you future-proof your impact. If this helped you think about your path, we've got more deep dives on the future of work. Subscribe to Skill Builders Academy and keep building the skills that matter.